Let's say you are a HR of a company and you need to manage a lots of employee information who is working in your organization. So you develop one PowerApp screen like this. Here in gallery control, you are displaying data. Let me run and show you. So here data is displayed. Now what do you want? So here you want to send a PDF which contain the detailed information of employee which is displaying here. So how you can do using Power App? Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. I welcome you all to Power App full course. Before going ahead in this video, let me tell you what you will learn from this video. First of all, you will learn which connector you should use to send an email from Power App which contain PDF. And second thing, you will learn how you can send PDF via mail from Power App. So without delay, let's get started. So let me tell you the first thing, which connector you need to use to send an email from Power App. So first of all, you need to log in into your Power App. I have already logged in. And here you need to go to the data section and add data. Click on add data and search for Office 365 Outlook. I have already added. Let me show you. Here you can see that Office 365 Outlook and you require organization account for that. So here you need to click on add data and search for Office 365 Outlook and it will be added. So here you need to use Office 365 Outlook connector. Let me tell you the second thing, how you can send PDF as an email attachment from Power App. So here you can see on my screen that I have taken one button. The name of a button is you can say button 11 and I gave a text as an email PDF. Then what you need to write using the connector which you have added, that is, let me show you, that is Office 365 Outlook connector. You need to write a code to send the email from the Power App. So click on the button and go to the on select. I have written a code. Let me explain you. Let me zoom little bit. So first of all, you need to write Office 365 Outlook, that is a connector name. Then you need to write a function which is associated with that, that is send email version 2. Then inside the bracket, you need to mention the to whom you want to send an email. Then the second thing you need to mention, that is called subject of the mail. And the third thing you need to mention, that is a body of the email. So here I want to send an email to myself. Why? Because I cannot access other email ID. So I am using my email ID. That is a currently login email ID from my organization account. So here I have written user.email. Then I need to write a subject name. So you can mention subject name dynamically. Let's say you can write that gallery one dot selected employee dot name data. That also you can mention. Otherwise you can mention the static like this data of employee. Or here you can write like that. Let's say here I want to write gallery. Let me just see the gallery, the name of the gallery here, gallery employee. Let me go to again that, and here let me write the dynamic subject. Here this is a static subject. I need to write dynamic subject. Gallery employee, I think GLY employee dot selected dot let's say first name. Okay, and I want to concatenate with the information, that is data of employee. So whatever data, let's say if Krupali data is selected, so Krupali data of employee, or you can say data, Krupali data. Okay, and let me just write a comma after that. Then after you need to mention the body. Now in the body section you want to send an attachment which is showing here. Let me just show you here. Whatever data is displaying in that form control, that entire form detail I want to send as a PDF. So here make sure that your form control is there in your container. So my form control is there inside a container 1. And this form data, that is entire form data, you can send using a PDF. So again, click on that and let me go ahead in the code. Then here you need to write a curly bracket and ending the curly bracket. Now between the curly bracket, you need to write one of the thing, that is attachments. So what you want? So I want attachment. So whenever you are sending an attachment, two things you need to mention. First is a name and the second one is content byte. Content byte means what? What you want to send as a PDF. So that is the meaning of content byte. So name, so what can be the name of the PDF? So here it is written sample and then manually you need to write .pdf. So whatever the file name you want to give, and then you need to give the extension. So let's say instead of sample, I can write here gallery 1 dot select employee dot selected first name and dot pdf. So let's say krupali dot pdf, abc dot pdf, and so on. Then you need to write content byte and the column, and whatever data you are sending which is there in a container, you need to convert it into a PDF. So here you need to use a PDF, and inside a bracket you need to write the container. So whatever data is there in a container, it will be sent as a PDF. So here make sure that your form should be there and then complete the bracket. And after that, I am notifying the person that PDF sent via mail. Now let me run and show you. So here, let's say Latina Costa, this data I want to send to me as a PDF. So let me just click on email PDF. So within a fraction of time, you will get a message that PDF sent via mail. Then you heard the notification sound, right? So let me go to my mail ID, and here you can see that I get an email address. Sorry, not email address. I get an email which contain the thing that is Latina data. Now, why it is coming Latina data? Because here, if you have seen our code, click on that. Here in that, and whatever data of the employee or whatever the first name of employee is there, I am sending as a subject. So here in subject, here you will see that. Then here you will see that the person name .pdf it will display, and here in the body section it is written. So this attachment is also there. So let me open that attachment and show you. So here you can see that whatever data is displaying the container, here you will see that. If you change the form look and feel inside a container, let's say here this is the form control, right? And this is 3 column. Let's say instead of 3, I want to make it 1 column. So this way data will be displayed. If I bifurcate it into 2 column here, this way data will be sent as a PDF. And if you just go again to your mail ID and try to select that, you can select data from that. So this way you can download PDF via PowerApps. Before ending this video, let me tell you what you learn from this video. First, which connector is required to send PDF from PowerApp to your mail. And second, how you can send PDF from Power Platform services, that is called PowerApp. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.